For today's video, ulam, itlog, Chinese pechay, pork na may carrots, as always the fish, the tilapia, and the cabbage, and the broccoli with bell pepper. That's it for ulam for today's video. Dami natin inulam. Then, meron tayo ditong sabaw. Ang sabaw natin ay clam with sukwa. And this is a chicken. Yummy, yummy.